Okay, so for this last little bit, I'm going to show you how to do layers or multiple colors. Before I begin, let me just say, you know what? I'll get to that in a second. So here it is. Here's my North Carolina. I want to add to it now. I'm just going to add, let's see, we'll do NC, let's say 2021, just because let's say we're trying to make something for our trip. I'm going to go up here, make some quick adjustments. And that's the font that I want, and it would go right here. Let me size it the way I want to size it. I want it to fit within my NC right there. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm going to want to cut my state in my light blue like you've already seen, but I'm going to want to make the NC in this gold metallic. So, when I come over here, I'm ready to go. So, I've already cut this. You've seen me cut that. So, I've got it sized right. In order to do just the letters, though, all I have to do is drag this over here, and it will only cut what's within the seated mat. Okay? So that's what is going to be cut. And I've got my vinyl mat set up again, and I've got my speed, and it's plugged in. So I'm going to come right over here, and this is what I want to tell you. So I forgot to stress that if you're not using a full sheet, I would ask that you check first for any scraps in the drawer before you get a full sheet. Because if you don't need the full sheet, please don't use a full sheet. All right? So once again, I'm going to make sure that this blue line is lined up with the edge of the mat. I'm going to load the cut mat like so. I'm going to go back to my computer, which is plugged in, and click send. And it is currently working on my parts. And it's done. So I'm going to bring you right over here. All right. The next thing I want to do is what's called weeding. I showed you really fast how to do it. I will say that you want to take time to do this the right way. Cut it in small batches. But I am going to weed out or take off what I don't want. So I'm going to peel off the end, the parts around this word, lettering, that I don't want. I'm going fairly fast because this is a demonstration and I want you to stare at me forever. I like to use the edge of an X-Acto knife. I find it easy, if I've got a good tip, to take the stuff off. And there we go. So here's my NC 2021. I cut off some transfer tape. We have a big roll of it. And I just place it over the letters. Okay? There's more on how to do this for future videos, but I'm just showing you how to make a quick two-layer. And then I peel it off like this. And then
Thank you for outside field zone. Coffee, Altogether, Nicholson, Collins, Garden, Doherty.
Peel off the transfer tape, and there it is. 2 layers that I would then apply another piece of transfer tape to put this holster on something. And that's it.